Growing up in the 70s and thereafter in Georgia, I had your typical main source of Southern enjoyment, which consisted of jumping into the stream, riding bikes, picking blackberries, and trying to imitate Peter Pan. As a child, animation was my love.
If we crash, I won't win.
I still wanted to know how cartoons were made. My first experience with computers and CGI was in high school, where I created a computer generated waving flag. I found doodling therapeutic, learned to focus, and found the gift of passion in being detail oriented. I chose to reject the naysayers in my life that told me that being an artist was a pipeline dream. Obtaining my degree for a Bachelor's of Science in Computer Animation at Full Sail University and having instructors, especially like Michael Udi at the Art Institute, coupled with brainstorming with fellow creative, like minded students, I have learned that collaborating is a necessary key for success through trial and error on projects and presentations, from concept art to storyboarding to post production. I am certified in Photoshop, After Effects, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, Maya, and ZBrush. Also self-taught and efficient in the use of 2D program Toon Boom. Utilizing these programs, I have created a fictitious station ident, commercial for an airline, an introduction to a TV word game, as well as reproducing the opening credits for Desperate Housewives by adding extra images, generating complex masks, and special effects through After Effects. Using the 12 principles of animation founded by Frank Thomas, Ollie Johnston, and the little known Walt Disney, I was able to make these creatures into believable animation using rigs. Working in 3D gets me excited. They are infinite. The first time I worked in Maya, and after completing my first project, I thought, wow, this is where they coined the phrase to infinity and beyond.
You can't handle
Another
the
assignment,
truth.
I had to make a celebrity's head
Son, we live
and
in a
then
world
make
that
him
has
talk.
walls, and those walls have to be guarded.
I was taught the fundamentals of good shading from proper lighting and complex shaders has enabled me to construct my own textures and add detail to procedural texturing. In this image, I used 3 cameras and 4 lights. For post-processing, I rendered each light separate and an ambient occlusion, tight and wide, as well as a mask. One camera shot one light took my computer 22 hours to render. Full Sail has taught me real world production, and I have resolved myself to taking over the world through my ideas, ideals, and animation.
Same thing we do every night, Pinky.
Just
Try to
kidding.
take over the
To
world.
me, to see a better world through due process and loyalty, honesty, and forgiveness. Yes, I said forgiveness. We all err. As said, to err is human, to forgive as divine. Alexander Pope. This is my perceived solution to many problems and why I would be the perfect candidate and the best arrow in your quiver for success for all parties involved. I am a problem solver, from character creation to final post production. My name is Renetta. I want to build it, so they will come.